What a pig. Not even human. There's going to be a feast, Archie. Did the Artemis 2 crew feel like that when they were flying? Oh fuck, so he spat inside.
It's all a blast now, translated in this. And in that carriage, there were 4 athletes. Each one ate here.
7
Cutlets.
Recently, the oatmeal experiments went over really well. We tried using different liquids instead of milk or water, and they turned out great. Yes, yes.
They were great, but I see you have an apron and I don't.
Tell me, I thought we'd be like a family for 7 years now?
I'll go in a moment.
Today we're making something my wife calls chicken breast cutlets, though I'm not sure what to name it. We have flour here, we have an egg here, and 4 containers, because we're going to have 4 different, quite unusual breadings here.
A different take on the cutlet.
Go ahead and choose. I already saw yours since your hiding spot is weak.
Cornflakes. Why? I took cornflakes and they're flavored because a lot of people make breading with cornflakes. Cornflakes, right? So I thought, hey, buy the flavored ones and try making it with some flavor if someone doesn't want to take a risk.
Oh, nice. I have honey flavored ones too, but they're already well known.
But I wonder if that'll affect the taste.
It's got a subtle toffee flavor, and you know what's beautiful? That it's toffee, not caramel.
And the next one? Bacon flavored. Will our chicken taste like pork? Nobody knows.
It could be a discovery.
We have to check that.
Look what I have. Also something sweet. These are freeze-dried raspberries. What hands? I wonder if it will burn, what will happen? 100% raspberries dried, no water, nothing else. But a little mouse, not a human. I wanted to make a cutlet inside a cutlet, like an insertion.
A minced meat cutlet inside a pork cutlet.
Why don't people make a minced meat cutlet inside a pork cutlet? It was good.
Ground meat?
I don't know. Should I coat it?
Interesting, yeah. It could be more delicate overall. We'll grind up the pork cutlet.
A minced meat cutlet and a pork cutlet, pasta and pizza. You know what I mean? We're going to combine 2 cuisines.
So suggest 2 more, 2 or 4. Yes.
Besides those, and I have soy cutlets.
We used to eat that at my place. Yes.
You can.
But I didn't eat that.
I opened them to check if they're chewy or crunchy since I didn't remember. They're actually really crunchy, which surprised me for a soy cutlet, like a nugget. It tastes kind of like bread. Ingredients: defatted soy flour, 96%, and potato starch, almost like Wasa crisp bread. Yeah, let's do this. We'll heat up the pan in a moment, pour some oil. Which one do we start with? We'll start with raspberries.
I'm pouring it in. Is that enough oil?
That's enough. Just look at what's happening.
Dude. Oh, but you have to add them one at a time. But you know the raspberries will be a bit sour, right?
No, but do we add salt and pepper?
I guess that's standard, right? Yeah.
I think so.
Oil, tartness, and raspberries are much more associated with sweetness. But they're good.
Oh, damn.
So much powder. Although no, on the cutlets.
Breading number 1.
I'll take this one, Muchus.
Damn, I feel like this is going to be a game changer, Arthur. Here's breading number 2. I think it'll be better with the crunch, you know?
No, not that hard, no. I just didn't want there to be big lumps, you know?
You shouldn't do it the way I'm doing it, remember?
Kick this mess over here.
Fuck.
Just a little bit.
These are Polnar experiments.
You're stronger, and you just write it down. Damn, my hand slipped. Well, there aren't many cutlets, actually, but it smells delicious, I swear. Hold on, Claimer, there's no point in overdoing it because it'll stick from the flour and everything else. That's just how it is. That's the reality.
You finally understood, because you've already said 3 times that it's a mess. Hey, look how few cutlets we got. Breading number 1.
Oh, you have to break up the egg.
But with salt and pepper, right? I'll tell you this. Toffee candies are the star of today's episode for me. And do we have cutlets? They're lightly pounded just a bit. The marinade, we've got that.
Just for practice, basically.
Great job, Arthur. You're doing well. What are you doing? Doesn't matter. We'll set out 4 and do them all at once. Give me the first one, whichever. What? All right.
Why did you put it here?
Double breading, man. Come on, go ahead. Oh.
Oh wow, what a breading, man. Will this cutlet even cook?
No way. Double breading is the best. Do you think the Artemis 2 crew felt like this when they flew, discovering the unknown like we do now? The cutlets are ready. They look amazing in my opinion. Damn, they look better than amazing.
Are we going one by one?
These pieces, this is going to be something interesting.
Yeah, man, you could make this for a wedding.
But this is gonna be good.
No, this is a production line.
But this is gonna be good. Oh man. Hey, this is just like bubble chocolate. I can feel it under my hand. Damn, Arthur, I'm excited again. Look, no, this is cool. Look, this is the next one. The pink one goes last, right? I'm putting it in. Go ahead, buddy.
Hey, parties like this really should be organized. Let's see what happens. You just sit, talk, and drink wine.
Like Italian families celebrating holidays with 6 people, just talking.
Exactly, great. You talk to me, I talk to you, and look, something comes out of it for them, and in the end, there's a prize.
It's like you all drink together, not like one person sits all day. Yes?
There's no party, and it will be wasted and gone.
He won't even say thank you.
Are there people like that? No. Oh, you see, that one kind of old-fashioned standard, right? Oh, damn, put it down randomly like that. You know, try to make it random, damn.
But raspberry chicken, have you heard about those chickens, you know? The corn-fed ones.
That they're only fed corn? Do you remember when we were at dinner and you ate, or we ate pork chops, but from those pigs that are fed only acorns their whole lives?
That's when I finally understood what it means, you are what you eat. What? Because that pork chop was so damn good, so tender, so different.
Unfortunately, that's how we got to talking about pork chops, whether I eat them or not. I do eat them, but I'd like to give up pork since it's not essential.
Pork isn't everything.
I'd even eat a person.
I'm not going to tell you that you watch too many of those stories. We just see it, that they threw them into the trough. I heard about it. Well, I think I heard about it too.
Let's start with some culinary topics. We ended with the fact that a pig will eat a person, and now we have coatings. We'll grab them and start frying. All right, Arksy, a real chef knows how to flip them. Look.
I'll scratch the Teflon.
How? That's how you flip it. Here, want to try once? Perfect.
Oh, it's going to smell like oil in here. We don't have a range hood. Oh no.
Hey, it's going to be nice. Oh.
A bit reckless.
All right, but there will be a feast, Arksy. Which one do you think will be the best? I bet.
The one with Fifi should be great, but I'm curious about the raspberry for breakfast. Is it burning? We still don't know what happened with that breading, right?
No, that raspberry burned right away, immediately.
Damn, that's a shame, and I was really curious.
The raspberry one needs to finish cooking over low heat. See how nice it looks.
Camera, should I cover it?
No, it will boil. Oh, good. Calm down because you can't get nervous, Andre. Andre, don't get nervous. Look how nice they are.
And yours is done too.
You know what? It's not a matter of it being burnt. They fall apart. You just can't fry raspberries. Whoa, buddy. Perfect.
But this beer, it hits. Oh, damn.
But there's spit inside. So tasty.
Hey, smoke.
All right, mine is okay now. Shall we let it rest?
Yeah, let's let it rest, right?
Jesus, Mary, there's gonna be some kind of mess here. There's gonna be a mess here, Narcy. Perfect, damn, wow.
Oh no, this one is going to burn.
Well, we'll see. Maybe a burnt raspberry is tasty, yeah.
What a beauty. They're so golden. Kuba, it's fine. Not every breading is perfect. It's normal. This is just an experiment. I feel...
Even though it's a bit burnt and doesn't look great, I like it most.
We have a new rule now that at first we pick our favorite based on appearance, then on smell, but we'll see how it actually turns out. For appearance, definitely this one. This one's my pick for both looks and smell.
Oh, this one isn't crispy, but the chicken is cooked perfectly. It's so white. Oh, the knife goes in so nicely.
I'm afraid it's going to be a bit sour.
For sure, this one is like bread. Look how real it is.
A good pen.
Soy, right?
Nothing.
It tastes like soy.
I mean, nothing good.
No, this little lady came out great. It tastes just like the dry one you gave me.
But that was an experiment. I kind of felt it couldn't have any taste, but I was really curious. So, let's go. The lady is holding up very elegantly, look.
I'm curious about that.
But it's delicate.
But it's tender.
When you soak it, the flavor comes in. I'll tell you this, I thought there would be some bacon. I thought there would be some salt from those chips. It's still not seasoned enough.
Imagine now you want to season just the chicken. And you know what? I'd like a bit of oil, but it's really great.
People don't look for a lady. Fluffy, crispy, and when it gets soaked with saliva, it's a fluffy coating.
I really like it.
But that test was quick, Oxy.
It gives off a cool vibe, like a little cloud. I've never eaten anything like this.
You definitely haven't eaten this either. And check this out.
Because you don't need to season it here.
It's very sweet and the crunchiest so far, as crispy as a wafer. This is perfect for those who like sweet cutlets or eat with pineapple. Toffee was a good choice.
I'm stuck because I have a problem. There are two totally different options. One is cloud-like with a light taste, but a bit more oily. It's very good, and the other is also interesting.
But this one is the crunchiest so far. Definitely super crunchy. That's why the flakes trick people use wasn't just pulled out of nowhere. It really does crunch great. Arthur, your favorite. I'll say there's another dish.
I wouldn't say I'm eating chicken. I want chicken. What could this be?
Hey, if you told me there's a dumpling in there, I'd believe it. There's no chicken flavor, just a sour aftertaste. Look, goosebumps.
But that sourness, but it's easier to breathe because it's softer. Damn, it's different. It's very interesting. But I don't know if I'd want to make this at home. Because I'd make those two for Sunday dinner.
Impossible.
It melts.
The chicken melts, but it's like butter. Personally, I thought it would be trash, but here it is.
This doesn't feel fair at all.
Now you need to work on that. Pick your favorite. You mentioned both, but this one is interesting.
Two, and you need to tune this one up.
I'm convinced, honestly. Even though I prefer meat, because this one is meaty. But this one?
This is a winner.
But this one disappointed me.
One more time because I thought it would be more flavorful.
Because this is bacon flavored. I have a suggestion for you. Next time, get me cheese Cheetos, if we get that kind of cheese cutlet. Drink up, cheese Cheetos do the job, and it's cool we're eating this.
Because sometimes it's just nice, tasty as hell. And here there's not enough flavor, because it's so.
Great. The taste is very interesting, sweet. Not everyone will like it. The consistency of the breading is not the best. That needs to be worked on. And this didn't turn out well. Cusishu primus. Good morning. Good morning, my friend. Jesus Mary!
Dear colleagues, it's 9:47. Have you ever had a better breakfast? It's beautiful. It smells like the best donut shops, although donut shops, my friend? Yeah, that's interesting too.
Interesting.
But you can see something else. And I see 4 worlds here. I like that. This is a home-cooked meal at Mom's. This is La Passione Dubai. This is a special steak. Yes, yes. And this is dessert style.
That's what we were talking about, right?
Which one will be your favorite when it comes to appearance? Oh, for me, this one looks the best. Damn. Because it's so unique. Just simple. I like this one. Really a lot. Gentlemen, and what about the smell? Which one do you think wins? I smell a hint of currant. But what are you fiddling with? Come on, take it. Smell it. Oh, caramel. Good.
It seems this one smells better. Which one? If you remember, by the scent, this one. All right, you'll get it in the end. Which did you choose?
This one and this one. This is something bitter, but it changed the taste a bit once it cooled down.
They got more flavor.
More flavor? I'll give you the first bottle. Like this? It's a cutlet inside a cutlet. Chicken breading? Primoz really likes it. Let's eat more and see what happens. It's a bit much for me. I can taste the smoke. All right, I'll tell you. A cutlet inside another, with the second bought by people who don't eat cutlets. Oh, I get it. Veggie. Soy cutlet. We ground up soy cutlets and use ground up soy cutlets to bread the cutlet in a cutlet. Awesome.
I think it just needs some seasoning. Cool.
This one interests me the most. Yeah, me too. The color fascinates me. Oh wow, this is some kind of fruit. Probably. It grows on a bush. Unless you made it yourselves. That's interesting. I think so. Oh, Arksy, that was a good idea.
You wouldn't expect such a sour cutlet. Hey, but it's good, right? Unique. Wow. This is awesome. Dip it in this. Hey, it's good. But this sugar is good. It brought out everything. It's delicious. You can't tell if it's dessert or a cutlet. The sourness is amazing. The meat is so tender and the sugar makes you wonder what you're eating. Raspberries. I wouldn't hesitate to use this. Me neither. Let's not be afraid, gentlemen.
Let's say it.
People go for it. But I would take Panarek from him. Whoa, hey. This is a discovery. It has everything. It looks good. It tastes good. Stop. Problem. I thought it was coffee. Sorry. Oh, damn. To the mountains. Watch the breading. Gentlemen, tiramisu. I'll say this. The meat falls apart the same way. Delicious. It's a good cutlet, but it doesn't really stand out. Downside, it pulled me toward the tracks. Whoa. Wow. Only 3 are left. Bravo. Hey, awesome Papiski, the idea itself. Hey, this format is a blast. We need to do more of this. Really, damn. Yeah, bravo, bravo. It's cool that these things are working out.
Hey, this is sweet, damn.
Damn, what happened here? It turned into a wafer when it cooled down. It's like, with caramel inside. I like it a lot.
I think it's the best one for me, damn. I'd add a bit more salt though.
Let's add more salt to these 4. I'm walking through sugarcane. Seriously, that's how I feel. Yeah, I see you there, but the taste has changed. That veggie one was the closest to a cutlet.
Yeah, if that's a cutlet then, the most real, like the original. And here are 3 torpedoes. These peppies showed me, like I tell Maxim, that if we add cheesy bits, it'll blow your mind.
You get it. What is this? It's kind of a clash. No way, that's impossible. Wow. Dear restaurateurs, you won't change your boring, ordinary cutlet pork chop breaded with a breaded shot glass zarka. That'll be a big downside for everyone visiting your restaurant. We're keeping the summaries at summary season, even though they've already dropped. Yes, Arksy. Everyone had something. I'm fighting, but it's in her. Here the crunchiness, here the softness, the cloud, and this is crazy as hell. I don't even know it was the most in the scarf. The most. This is the most traditional highlight. The cutlet wasn't bad because if you add some salt, season it, it's really okay. Just add some more here and until then, I'm stuck. I don't know what to choose. But this one smells like parasol mushroom to me. Seeing this parasol mushroom makes me feel like I have one, but I wouldn't do it this way again. No, it was just a fun experiment. A cutlet inside a cutlet. It's the most standard one, right? Krzysiu? Sad raspberry? Primoz? Well, if I had to pick one of my 2 or 3 favorites, it would be the raspberry. So the raspberry won today's episode, I vote for it too. This one is half a point lower, just a little bit. Pepsi, if we'd seasoned them more. Too bad they weren't bacon flavored. They were, but the taste didn't come through, right? Yeah.
The cutlet wasn't bacon flavored. It made a cloud, but it didn't add any flavor. But the best texture, the best crunchiness, the most standard interesting flavor. Jesus, what an awesome episode. Oh, he's showing what the episode was like. We'll say it again and ask you, A, check if you're subscribed because it really helps us. Apparently the algorithms love it. B, let us know what kind of breading we should make.
It'll be easy since you just list the breading ingredients. Oh, you're signing off. Thanks for this delicious episode, gentlemen. See you next time.
And you have it. We made 8 cutlets. And in this car, there were 4 athletes. Each of them. Oh, 7 cutlets.
Yes.